A great yoga teacher is someone that can actually meet people where they are at. Not someone that imposes what they know on others, but can actually take them somewhere that they have never been before. YogaMoves is a really challenging program. It's great, fun, and all the teachers in the program are very experienced. Some of the most experienced you're going to come across. People who are passionate about yoga and love the creativity that comes with a vinyasa flow should do this training. We are going to teach you how to be grounded, how to work intelligently, but also how to stay in love with flow and with your body in flow.
Training is taught by a blend of very, very experienced yoga teachers, and that's a very much a must in any teacher training, because we teach from experience and we bring in a lot of quality. A great yoga teacher, in my opinion, is somebody who is inspiring, knowledgeable, teaching from experience, somebody who can lead from example, and somebody who can bring a sense of purpose to the mat and off the mat.
I recommend the YogaMoves teacher training to people who are really devoted and who want to become professional and good teachers, but you really have to have a lot of dedication.
With so many teacher trainings out there, it's really important to choose a certified teacher training that has a long history of success. And I got offered a teaching position right away by a studio because they know the YogaMoves teacher training is very high quality.